If you're building a WordPress website, choosing the right theme can either make your life easy or completely frustrate you. And most beginners choose themes based only on how they look. That's a mistake. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right WordPress theme the smart way. Let's break it down. First, what is a theme? In WordPress, a theme controls your website's design. It decides your layout, fonts, colors, header style, footer style, and overall structure. But here's the thing. A good theme is not just about design. It's about performance, flexibility, and long-term stability. So step one, choose your website type first. Are you building a blog, a business website, an e-commerce store, a portfolio, a landing page? Your theme should match your goal. Don't install a heavy e-commerce theme if you're just writing blog posts. Keep it simple. Step two, look for speed. A slow theme will hurt your website. It affects user experience and SEO. Choose lightweight themes that are known for performance. For example, Astra, GeneratePress, Neve. These are lightweight and beginner-friendly. Step 3. Check compatibility. Make sure the theme works well with popular plugins like SEO plugins, security plugins, page builders. If you plan to use Elementor, make sure your theme supports it properly. Never assume. Always check the theme description. Step 4. Check customization options. Go to Appearance, then Themes, then Add New. Click Preview before installing. See if you can customize header, footer, colors, typography, layout. If customization feels limited, it might not be the right choice. Step 5. Check reviews and active installations. If a theme has thousands of active installs, regular updates, good ratings, that's a good sign. Avoid themes that haven't been updated for a long time. Outdated themes can cause security and compatibility issues. Step 6. Free or premium? Free themes are good for beginners. Premium themes offer more features and support. If you're building a serious business website, investing in a premium theme can save time later. But don't buy expensive themes just because they look fancy. Start simple. Here's something important most people don't realize. Content matters more than design. A clean, simple theme with good content will always perform better than a fancy, slow theme with no clarity. So don't chase design trends. Choose stability. Let me simplify everything. Pick a theme that is fast, regularly updated, well-reviewed, compatible with your plugins, easy to customize. That's it. You can always change themes later. WordPress makes it easy. If this helped you understand how to choose the right theme, like the video and subscribe.